Get ready for leg curl pulls. Go! Up next, toe taps. Go!
You talk about faith. Is it just something you say? Or is it the same with that girl you texting when I look away? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence.
Up next, punch up. Go! Up next, side steps. Go! Next exercise is crunch double arms. Go! Next exercise is cross arms and legs. Go! Up next, diagonal arms. Go! Next exercise is chest dance. Go! Next exercise is arm reach. Go! Rest time. ready for tap back. Go.
Back off, don't go near me. Please surrender, 'cause I can take no more. I know you can hear this crying words, so just step back. Now let me go, 'cause it hurts so bad, though it feels so good. We can try to make things better. Every night and day, it will be the same. Dry the tears like it doesn't matter. Hear my last goodbye.
Next exercise is skaters. Go.
Can't take one more fight for the feelings that I have inside. Make me lose my mind. But it feels so good, though it hurts so bad. Like the drugs that would drive me crazy. Hear my last goodbye. I am running towards the end of time at the speed of light. Hear my last goodbye. I am running towards the end of time at the speed of light. Can't take one more fight for the feelings
Get ready for
inside.
step back. Go.
But it feels so good, though it hurts so bad. Like the drugs that would drive me crazy. Hear my last goodbye. I am running towards the end of time at the speed of light.
Lay your love on me, 'cause I've been waiting all night. Won't you sit on down with me? I'll put you in the
Up next,
spotlight.
knee raises. Go.
We save ourselves some time from bad lies and good manners. 'Cause I know in your mind exactly what you're after. These figures lying in my head got me tripping. I can make sense of them.
Next exercise is leg curl pulls. Go.
Your story, small talk's gonna bore me. I just want you on my breath in the morning. Don't hear what you told me, I'm just feeling lonely. But I want you on my breath in the morning. But I want you on my breath.
Next exercise is arm kicks. Go.
We don't speak like them, wrap everything in wordplay. We take what we want instead, 'cause we're not after perfect. We don't live from thoughts, they only lead to trouble. And you know what we got, we dive into the bottle. These figures lying in my head.
Next exercise is arm reach. Go.
I can make sense of them. Got me tripping. Oh, you're gifted. I don't know your story. Small talk's gonna bore me. I just want you on my breath in the morning. Don't hear what you told me, I'm just feeling lonely. But I want you on my breath in the morning. But I
Get ready for mini side lunge. Go.
But I want you on my breath in the morning. I just want you on my breath in the morning. I just want you on my breath in the morning. I just want you on my breath in the morning. But I want you on my breath in the morning.
Next exercise is knee lifts. Go.
Girl, you went from being a traffic cop to a nightclub
Get ready for leg curl pull. Go. Next exercise is toe taps. Go.
I'm in the lead, we're doing fine. You show me yours, I show you mine. You're in the lead, we're doing fine. You show me yours, baby, in a blink of an eye.
Next exercise is punch up.
Baby, in a blink
Go.
of an eye. There's no like this. I blink of an eye. Can't hold all of this. Oh yeah. Baby, in a blink of an eye. There's no like this. I blink of an eye. Can't hold all of this. Oh yeah. Baby, in a blink of an eye.
Next exercise is side steps. Go. Next exercise is front double arms. Go.
It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove.
Get ready for cross arms and legs. Go.
We got this.
Next exercise is diagonal arms. Go.
A little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh, baby, I know. We got this.
Get ready for chest dance. Go. Get ready for arm reach. Go.
Slow down, don't move too fast or it will make you drown. Reconcile, we gotta move
is arms up and out. Go!
I'm on a trip with you. I'm on a trip with you.
Next exercise is high kick backs. Go! You have successfully completed the workout. Good job! Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive new video workouts regularly.